in the back of the woods with the tractor. The idea, this tree's hung up. We already had one attempt at it. So my idea is put it under tension that way, so I can stand on this side, cut the trunk underneath the wire, and hopefully the tree will get pulled that way and not fall on top and kill me as I'm over here on my own. But if I do die and someone finds me, hopefully they can bury me somewhere. Over and out. First bit went according to plan. Cut the first chunk off. Now do we alter? Okay, part 2 went okay. I'm still alive. Perhaps I should buy a lottery ticket tonight. And we've got it this far so far. Just hoping that when I winch it this little bit further, the top will come off. I'm having to do all this on my own because my head ranger is going through his pink stage at the moment. I don't know whether that's to find his feminine side or what, but he needs to get his fucking camos on and get out in the woods. Let's do it. Come on, you bastard. Hey! That'd be a timber! So you had to do that all on my own. No young head ranger to help me. Just an old man working on his own. So far, this is what we've got. Chainsaw's run out of petrol, so I need to go and fill it up and have a well-deserved cup of coffee because I'm on my own with no help from the head ranger, Lewis. Time for coffee.